Welcome to the intuitive world of the k-nearest neighbors algorithm, a fundamental technique in machine learning for classification and regression. The KNN algorithm classifies data based on the closest data points in the feature space. It's like finding your neighborhood in a vast city of information. KNN works by selecting the k-nearest data points to a query and deciding the outcome based on the majority vote or average of these neighbors. Choosing the right k-value is crucial. Too small, and the algorithm becomes sensitive to noise. Too large, and the neighborhood may include many irrelevant points. KNN relies on distance metrics to find the closest neighbors. Common metrics include Euclidean, Manhattan, and Hamming distances. KNN is versatile, used in image recognition, recommender systems, medical diagnosis, and more, thanks to its simplicity and effectiveness. Despite its simplicity, KNN faces challenges like the curse of dimensionality and the need for careful data pre-processing to ensure accuracy. The k-nearest neighbors algorithm, with its simplicity and versatility, remains a fundamental and widely used technique in the ever-evolving field of machine learning.